Those of you that saw my last video clip named Mystery Misfire may recall that the misfire turned into a total breakdown, and I had to push my bike home. My wife came and helped me, and between us we got it back. When we got home, I did some testing. Tested the battery. That was the first job, and the battery was holding 6.3 volts, so not the battery. Then I tested the live feed to the ignition coil, so that would test the loom up to the switch, from the switch back to the ignition coil. That was also holding 6.3, so knew that was probably okay. I tried that several times just in case I wasn't lucky, so I flicked it 4 or 5 times, and each time it returned 6.3 volts. So then we knew we could rule that out as a possible problem. So what I decided to do next was replace a few pieces, a few parts. So the plug was changed, the plug cap was changed, HT lead was changed, ignition coil was changed, the condenser or capacitor, whichever you prefer, was changed, and I changed the cable which goes from the points back into the loom. So all those little bits and bobs were renewed, so we knew that was all new. Hope you can see the ignition points, condenser there, and also the cable, the new cable that I fitted, which I'm suspicious of, to be honest, because the last one I fitted, I crimped it, as you do, and I also soldered it. Now I'm worried now that the solder that I put on there may have been our weak link and had a bit of a fatigue fracture, stress fracture type of thing going on there. So hopefully we've covered all the angles there and solved the problem. So what's left to do now is a road test. What I'll do, I'll go back around the same loop that I did last time. It's not a bad walk home, to be honest, if the worst comes to the worst. And yeah, we'll get on with the road testing. But before I go, I'd just like to say a big thank you to my subscribers who've been taking an interest in what I've been doing. So a very big thank you to all 5 of you. Well, it went alright, sounds like it used to, so with a bit of luck we sorted the mystery misfire. Thanks for watching, bye.